Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm trying something a little different. I have never done a plan with me in my personal, I guess this is technically a Hobonichi. This is a Techo, and I love this one so much. This is what I do my memory keeping in, and this memory section this week was not super personal, so I figured I would do a plan with me. It's only a couple days, so it should go by pretty decent. I think the total video is like 7 minutes. And I was going to leave it in more real time, but I don't know. I just didn't feel like real time, especially with me trying to write, is gonna work, okay? So I'm coming in kind of capping off some of the letters here, and I have been working on my handwriting for a very long time. And it's slowly getting there, and I mean slowly as in it takes forever, in my opinion. And if you've been with me for a while, you know I am a sticker shop owner, so I have access to silhouettes. So that's how I cut out my pictures. I print them on normal sticker paper, and I just go ahead and print them and cut them. Some are bigger than others, because you know what? Sometimes I want to do nothing except for slap a picture down. If I'm gonna be honest, sometimes that's the best part about this, is that instead of it being like an Instagram, you get to have it in your daily journal, and I love it, and it is just something that I love doing. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this, and the best part about this is that I'm going to go in and decorate it, and I really enjoyed having a theme this month. I think I'm going to do a full over of like this month. I didn't do January. I should probably go ahead and do January, and then since I'm almost done February, I've been able to keep up with it, at least within, I would say within a week, maybe 5 days, that it's either gotten behind because I work full time. So during the week, sometimes I can get behind. And I saw someone else write with a ruler, and I thought, well, maybe that will help me keep things good or centered or together. It didn't. It still looks crappy. So handwriting is so hard. So I'm getting there. But it was my birthday on the 22nd, and I am 30 years old. I can't believe it. I think the older I get, the realize no one knows what they're doing. That's right. I said it. No one knows what they're doing. Especially the older you get, you realize no one knows. But it's okay. I'm gonna fake it till you make it. And I guess that's what life is about. At least that's how I think. Maybe not. So we are going to come in and decorate it a little bit more. So I kind of came back and did, yeah, that looked weird. It didn't look like what it was supposed to. So it looked like there was an R in there. So I fixed it. So you can see here, I am going to start the cherry blossoms. And I love this so much. This theme was by Amanda Lee Rach. I don't remember. I believe it's Amanda Lee. And so it is done like almost identical to how she does it. So I will that's her Instagram name. So you should be able to see how she does it as well. Sorry, someone was at my door and I got totally distracted. Like, do I need to run down and get it? And don't? No, I'm not. So little Demi up there, he was so cute, even though he's really not allowed in my office, although he sneaks into my office all the time because I leave the door open just because I don't want it to get cold or hot or just, you know. So I did this roughly. I did not want it to look pretty. I wanted it to be rough. I wanted it to be all over the place. And it really comes together when you add that pink. And the pink is like my favorite part. So you can see some of the previous days. And again, I just go through and decorate it. So I'm gonna let you watch this part.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations.
coming to my birthday and when we saw my cousin fight, it was so annoying because they take forever. It's a very hard theme to do. Not hard, time-consuming theme to do. So I really wanted to do something that was like super easy on the next page. And I wish I had done this throughout the planning. Because I loved how this came out, just like the cherry blossoms just blossoming in the wind. Yeah, should have done this from the beginning. But I'm going to give you a flip through, ironically probably backwards. So yeah, birthday, when we saw the fight, it was so nice. And then flip back to just a chill couple days. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.